Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So our today's topic is protozoa. So we will see here the protozoa, its habitat, its shape and size, its mode of nutrition, shape and structure, and its reproductive system, beneficial uses of protozoa or the harmful effects of the protozoa. So without doing any delay, let's start with the topic, otherwise the video will go so long. So for the complete information of this topic, please be continue with me till the end of this video. Let's start the topic. Protozoa are the single-celled organism having animal-like characteristics. These are the animals category organism. The word protozoa means first animal. Proto मतलब first and zoans मतलब animals. So protozoa can move from place to place. They can capture and eat food. Protozoa do not possess cell wall. Let's have a look over the habitats of it, that where is it found. The protozoa are really found in the colonial forms. Protozoan lives in the fresh water, marine water, and animals and plants, on decaying organic matters, and in the soil also. So free living protozoa are found in the polar regions and on very high mountains. Some protozoans live in the living organism also. The size of the protozoans range from the 2 to 200 microns. And when we look over the mode of nutrition, the protozoans except euglena cannot make their own food, because euglena have chlorophyll and it can prepare its own food. That's why in protozoa the euglena is the exception case. Protozoa obtain nutrition in the following ways. Some protozoans obtain their food from the dead and decaying matter, and this process, for this mode of nutrition, you know very well that it is called a saprophatic mode of nutrition. And the second one is parasitic, in which the protozoans are dependent upon the living organism for the living host for their gain of nutritions. Okay. So the shape and structure, of the some typical protozoa are described. That's the number one is amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled microorganism. Amoeba has the irregular shape which keeps on changing slowly. It has a projection on its body which are called a pseudopodia, which helps in its movement. Amoeba moves slowly with the help of pseudopodia. Amoeba catches its prey with the help of its pseudopodia. So what is the important and beneficial organ of the amoeba? So it will the protozoa. It's the pseudopodia, which helps it in the movement and helps also in performing all the different activities of its life. So entamoeba cause amoebiasis, डिसेंट्री. एमेबिक डिसेंट्री जो एक बीमारी है वो अमीबा के कारण ही होता है. और अमीबा क्या है? तो अमीबा प्रोटोजोआ है. The second protozoa is Paramecium. Paramecium has a slipper-shaped protozoa. Its body is covered with a hair-like small projections called cilia, which helps in movement. It has two nuclei, merged nuclei and micronuclei. It moves fast with the help of cilia. And the third one is protozoa is Euglena. Euglena is a spindle-shaped green-colored protozoa. It has a long thread-like structure called filaments at its anterior end, and flagella helps it in movement. The next one is Trypanosoma. Trypanosoma is a parasitic protozoa. It lives in the blood stream of the human and cattle. A membrane-like structure on its side helps in movement. So the next topic is for the reproductions of protozoa, that how the protozoa reproduce. The protozoa reproduces mainly by the asexual reproduction, that is called binary fission. And the mode of its reproductive process is binary fission, in which it divides into the two different parts Firstly the cytoplasm divide, then the nuclei divide, and finally the organism, one organism is divided into the two newly formed organisms. So what are the beneficial parts of protozoan? That some protozoa are beneficial to us. Some unicellular protozoa acts as a link in aquatic and food chains. So protozoa feed themselves on fungi and bacteria which decomposes the organic matters. Thus protozoa play an important role in the final degradation of organic waste. Protozoa are used in the research to study the biological functions such as cell division या फिर reproduction, because the process of their life cycle is very fast and easily we can do it in the laboratories also. So it's all are the beneficial parts of the protozoa. Let's have a look over the another phase which is called the harmful protozoans. So some protozoans are very harmful to us. The harmful action of the protozoans are described below. Certain protozoans causes diseases in the human and animals. Entamoeba is caused by the amoebic dysentery. The parasitic protozoans that is called the trypanosoma causes a disease called African sleeping sickness in the cattle and humans. After coming of the protozoan trypanosoma in our blood streams, our blood have such a reactions that it creates us to sleep for a long time. So now we will look fastly over the all the topics, that what are the important objects of this topic, today's topic. So let's have a fast look over it. So first one is the protozoans are the single-celled organisms having animal-like characters. Protozoans can move from one place to another and capture and eat food. The second point is protozoans do not possess cell wall. The third is protozoans lives in the freshwater, seawater, soil and are also found on high mountains and polar regions. The fourth point is protozoans except euglena are either saprophytic or parasitic. What the euglena is? The euglena is self-dependent, yani it's a autosome. What is the last point? The entamoeba causes amoebic dysentery. Entamoeba causes amoebic dysentery. Entamoeba is a protozoa which is caused by amoeba and it enters into the human body or in the animals, different type of animals, and it creates the dysentery. So this is all about the today's topic. Students, if you like the topic, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for the latest video. Or students, don't make a comments that what is the good part of this video and what is there something missing. Then please comment me in the comment section. Definitely I will look over it. And friends, thanks for being with me for this long time. Thanks for your precious time once again.